I will never forget being a junior in college in a 300 level research methods course, and my professor saying to us, once you learn how to read the data, you will realize that a lot of these peer-reviewed articles aren't actually as statistically significant as they seem from first glance. And that course was the hardest class I took in my entire bachelor's degree. Because you know what I found out? It is so fucking hard to prove that a source is reputable. And do you know why? That's because you have to prove that it's peer-reviewed. You have to know who the peers are, who paid for the study, what the sample size was, and you have to prove that the sample size was like reflective of the actual research and what it's meant to represent. You have to look at the data to see if it's statistically significant because there's levels to the shit. And you have to know that because you're the researcher. And if you're in a similar situation like me, let me show you one thing that would have made my life way easier back then. So open this website called Anara and click the mention tool and select search paper. Then ask the chat box to look for any papers you need. It'll go through official sources and will give you peer-reviewed and relevant papers to help with your research. You can also double check this by clicking the numbers that show up to be redirected to the website. So yeah, try it out and let me know what you guys think.